Hi guys! Joy morning! Today's Monday, 18th of May. May pasok ako today guys. Grabe, 4 hours lang yung tulog ko. Puyat. Nagising ako ng 4 a.m. Tapos, hirap na ako makatulog ulit. Ewan ko ba? May nag-iisip siguro sa akin. Maaraw today and at this moment, 19 degrees guys. And later pagkalabas ko, magiging 21 degrees. So, pwede mag-t-shirt today. Sunscreen muna tayo. Beauty capsules before breakfast. Breakfast tayo guys. Oatmeal with dried blueberries. O sige na, pasok na ako. Bye! Yeah, Sunday hot.